Welcome to this video on leading an agile transformation. As organizations face rapid changes in technology, customer expectations, and competitive landscapes, agile methodologies have become essential for staying adaptable and resilient. Today, we'll be exploring a comprehensive guide to leading an agile transformation, designed to help you understand the process, the benefits, the potential obstacles, and the tools needed to guide your teams effectively. Whether you're new to Agile or looking to deepen your understanding, this video will equip you with practical insights and actionable steps for implementing Agile in your organization. So let's start by clarifying what Agile transformation is and why it's important in today's business environment. Agile transformation is the structured shift an organization undertakes to adopt Agile methodologies, fundamentally altering its processes, mindset, and culture to embrace continuous improvement, adaptability, and customer-centered value. Unlike traditional approaches that rely on rigid planning, Agile transformation encourages a flexible, iterative approach, allowing teams to respond swiftly to new challenges and feedback. This journey toward Agile gained momentum in the early 2000s with the rise of Agile methodologies, developed initially to address the constraints of traditional project management, especially in software development. Traditional methods, like the waterfall model, often led to long project timelines with limited capacity for mid-course corrections. Agile, however, was born out of the need for quicker, incremental progress and more collaborative work environments. It emerged as a revolutionary approach, focused on delivering value early and iterating based on customer feedback. Over time, the success of Agile in software spread to various sectors, proving its versatility in industries beyond IT. In today's fast-paced business environment, Agile transformation is more than a trend. It's essential for staying competitive. Businesses face rapidly evolving technologies, shifting customer expectations, and unpredictable markets. Agile transformation enables organizations to navigate this complexity by fostering a culture that values learning, experimentation, and adaptability. Companies that embrace Agile are better equipped to pivot in response to change, enhancing their resilience and relevance. The benefits of Agile transformation are significant. By working in shorter, iterative cycles, teams can bring products to market faster, often reducing time to market by months or even years. Agile's emphasis on customer feedback throughout the process improves customer satisfaction as products evolve in line with user needs. Furthermore, Agile promotes collaboration across teams, breaking down silos and creating a more cohesive organization. This not only improves team morale, but also aligns efforts toward a common purpose, ultimately driving better results for the organization. With a clear understanding of Agile transformation's foundation, let's now explore the core values and principles that drive Agile practices, as outlined in the Agile Manifesto. The Agile Manifesto is the cornerstone of Agile methodologies, developed by industry leaders who recognize the need for a new approach to project management. It includes 4 core values and 12 principles that emphasize customer collaboration, adaptability, and valuing people over processes. These principles serve as a guiding framework, promoting behaviors like openness to feedback, focus on delivering customer value, and willingness to pivot when necessary. In practice, the Agile Manifesto encourages teams to work in small, cross-functional groups that are capable of responding swiftly to change. These values and principles help leaders cultivate an environment that supports Agile transformation effectively. With an understanding of Agile's foundation, let's move on to discuss the critical role leadership plays in driving successful Agile transformation. Effective Agile transformation hinges on strong, supportive leadership. Agile leaders are not only responsible for overseeing the process, but also for embodying the values and principles of Agile themselves. They guide and empower their teams, ensuring that everyone has the resources and freedom to work iteratively. Leaders in Agile settings need to be adaptable, collaborative, and supportive, fostering a culture of trust and psychological safety. By leading by example, they inspire teams to embrace the Agile mindset and take ownership of their work. Additionally, they play a crucial role in coaching, facilitating Agile practices, and aligning team goals with organizational objectives. Once leadership is in place, creating an Agile culture becomes the next important step. Let's discuss what defines an Agile culture. Building an Agile culture involves cultivating an environment where adaptability, openness, and trust are prioritized. It's about establishing norms that encourage frequent communication, feedback, and collaboration across departments. Leaders play an instrumental role in fostering this culture by empowering teams to make decisions, try new ideas, and learn from failures. Practices such as feedback loops, cross-functional teams, and iterative processes help to create a cohesive, adaptable organization that is quick to respond to changes. An agile culture not only enhances productivity, but also boosts team morale and engagement, as everyone feels involved in shaping outcomes. With the right culture, forming effective agile teams becomes the next critical piece. Let's dive into the characteristics of high-performing agile teams. Effective agile teams are collaborative, self-organized, and equipped with cross-functional skills that allow them to tackle diverse challenges. These teams are often structured to be small and flexible, allowing for quick decision-making and seamless coordination. Agile teams typically progress through stages of development, from forming and storming to norming and performing, where they become fully productive and aligned. Leaders and team members work closely together, and roles within agile teams, such as Scrum Master or Product Owner, are clearly defined to support workflow. Developing high-performing teams takes time and dedication, but they are the backbone of any successful agile transformation. Now that we understand the composition of agile teams, let's look at some of the popular agile practices in action, including Scrum, Kanban, and extreme programming. Agile transformation often involves implementing specific practices or frameworks that guide teams in their workflows. Scrum is one of the most popular frameworks, known for its iterative sprints, clear roles, and structured ceremonies like daily stand-ups and retrospectives. Kanban, on the other hand, visualizes work on boards and is effective for managing workflow and improving efficiency. Extreme programming, XP, focuses on software quality through practices like pair programming and continuous integration. Each of these practices can be adapted based on team needs, providing flexibility and structure for agile processes. To ensure the transformation is on track, measuring key metrics is crucial. Let's move on to discuss how metrics play a role in agile success. Metrics are essential in Agile for gauging performance and guiding improvements. Key metrics like velocity, lead time, and cycle time provide insights into the team's efficiency, enabling teams to identify bottlenecks and optimize processes. For instance, velocity measures the amount of work completed in a sprint, helping teams set realistic goals, while cycle time measures the time taken from start to finish, indicating efficiency. By regularly tracking and analyzing these metrics, teams can make data-driven adjustments, enhancing performance and supporting continuous improvement. However, agile transformations can come with their own set of challenges. Let's discuss common challenges and how to overcome them next. Agile transformation is not without obstacles. Common challenges include resistance to change, lack of agile knowledge, and difficulties in aligning teams with agile values. Leaders play a critical role in addressing these challenges, offering guidance, training, and fostering a culture of openness to help teams embrace change. Holding workshops and training sessions can also help bridge knowledge gaps. It's essential to address concerns early on to prevent frustration and build confidence in the agile process. Many organizations have overcome these challenges by focusing on communication and gradual shifts, which makes the transformation smoother and more sustainable. To support long-term success, fostering a culture of continuous improvement is key. Let's explore how Agile encourages ongoing learning and adaptation. Continuous improvement lies at the heart of Agile, focusing on enhancing processes, products, and teamwork iteratively. Techniques like retrospectives allow teams to reflect on their progress and make adjustments based on past experiences. Feedback loops are also essential, providing real-time insights that drive better decision-making. By fostering a culture of learning, Agile teams stay resilient, innovative, and responsive to change. Embracing continuous improvement not only enhances project outcomes, but also strengthens team dynamics and morale. Let's wrap up by reviewing the key takeaways from today's journey through Agile transformation. To summarize, Agile transformation is a powerful tool for fostering adaptability and flexibility in organizations. The principles of Agile help teams focus on delivering value, responding to feedback, and working collaboratively. Leaders play a central role in guiding the transformation, setting an example and cultivating a culture that embraces Agile. Through iterative improvements and continuous learning, Agile teams are better equipped to tackle challenges and achieve sustained success. Thank you for joining this journey.